Hello viewers, welcome to your channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session we are going to discuss about vitamin deficiencies. This topic has been taken from Unit 1 of Social and Preventive Pharmacy, BPharm 8th semester. So without wasting the time, let us begin. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting all the updates about social and preventive pharmacy. So let us begin. So vitamins are very much required for the overall development, and their deficiency causes different disorders. So in this I will be sharing about the different sources of the vitamins and their disorders one by one. So I'm going to begin with vitamin A. So these are the different sources of vitamin A. Now, vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness, cirrhosis, xerophthalmia, keratomalacia. Objective sort of the questions are asked in the examination. Different MCQs are based on the vitamin deficiencies. Next, moving on to another vitamin, vitamin B. It comprises of thiamine B1, riboflavin B2, niacin B3, pyridoxine B6, pantothenic acid B5, biotin B7, folic acid B9, and cobalamin B12. So vitamin B1 is actually thiamine. So it's found in the fortified breads, cereals, meat, and milk. Then vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi, cardiac failure, loss of appetite, fatigue, and irritability. Moving on to vitamin B2, known as riboflavin. So these are the different food sources for riboflavin. Talking about the deficiency, it is responsible for causing photophobia, chlosis, seborrheic dermatitis, poor growth, gastrointestinal symptoms, loss of appetite, and sore tongue. Moving on to another vitamin, vitamin B3. So the different food sources are highlighted over here, including the dairy products, fish, nuts, eggs, meat, etc. Deficiency caused by vitamin B3 results in pellagra, dermatitis, diarrhea, and the tongue is found to be smooth, red, and painful. Moving to another vitamin, vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. So these are the different food requirements for obtaining vitamin B6. Then deficiency of vitamin B6 also causes dermatitis, fissures, microcytic anemia, convulsions, and irritability. Next is vitamin B12. These are the different food sources: eggs, meat, poultry, shells, fish, milk products. Then different vitamin B12 deficiency results in cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is basically cobalamin. So deficiency disorders includes like pernicious anemia, typical sore tongue, neurological problems, reduced growth. Moving to another vitamin, vitamin C. So all the citrus fruit are included into this category. These are the different food sources. Then deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, which results in bleeding gums, loosening, falling out of teeth. And in the absence of this vitamin, the collagen and the connective tissue proteins are not synthesized properly. Moving to another vitamin, vitamin D. So this can be easily obtained from the sunlight. The body itself makes vitamin D when it is exposed to the sun. So cheese, butter, margarine, fortified milk, fish, fortified cereals are the rich sources for vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, osteomalacia, and it disturbs in the calcium and phosphorus absorption. Next, moving on to another vitamin, vitamin E. So the deficiency of vitamin E, tocopherol, results in premature, and it is rarely found in humans. It's sometimes causing sterility in experimental animals and heart disorders. It basically causes the hormonal imbalance. Then vitamin K. So these are the different rich sources for vitamin K. So deficiency of vitamin K, phyloquinone, results in defects in blood coagulation, hemorrhagic manifestation, and lack of prothrombin. So these are the different vitamin requirements, different sources of vitamins and deficiency disorders. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates. Thank you so much.